guys, here's a tip working on this built-in. So you probably already have baseboards in place. So I did rip out the baseboards all around the back and the side over here, but this one runs the length of the full wall. I don't want to rip the whole thing out. So what I want to do is cut it right where it's at. So as you can see here, I took the frame that I'm going to line up in this particular spot. I lined it up exactly where I'm going to want it. And I'm just going to cut the baseboard. So in order to do that, I need to know where it is. So once I get it lined up, then you can mark your mark where that framework meets. And that'll be our guide. So once we remove this piece of wood, then we'll take a level, run a straight line down that. So we'll cut that all the way down here, and then we'll pull this back piece off, and that way everything will sit flush. And then once you build it all in, then you'll be able to use your caulking with caulking it. Now, this also depends on where do you want the framework in. So I'm pulling my framework all the way to the front, and baseboards usually have a setback, but I'm actually going to build a frame down here, and we're going to put a baseboard footer on the front of this, so it'll actually be flush all the way to the cabinet line here and look nice and clean all the way across. So I'm going to cut my baseboard all the way down on the front side of that, so when I put my baseboard on, it'll fit flush to the front.